Hi, good afternoon or morning. We're at the Boston Group, and we're here to present our product, the Jokinator, which is a GPT Neo-based model that uses NLP to generate family-friendly jokes.
The team consists of Celso, Kaden, Kennesha, myself, Harry, and Will.
So the idea behind the Jokinator was to create um, original jokes, humor being a common human trait. Uh, Having AI generate jokes was really something interesting to see. Uh, so originally we were going to go with dad jokes specifically, but we had some difficulties with that, so we switched over to clean jokes.
In order for the model to work, we need to collect lots of data. In the case of our project, we needed jokes, so originally we found a dataset containing around 200,000 jokes. After our team reviewed some of the jokes, we came to the conclusion that these dad jokes were in fact not family friendly, and we couldn't use all but around 1,000 of the jokes. In order to get more data, we ended up using a PDF of a joke book and some of Reddit's joke subreddits. The only problem being that we ended up having to make our own data sets using web scraping and file readers. To scrape the clean jokes and dad joke subreddit, we used the built-in Reddit API that comes with pre-existing documentation that made it easy to go through each post thread and pull the information that we needed. After scraping the subreddits, we used a clean jokes PDF to source another 1,000 jokes.
So our model is primarily using a package called AI Text Gen, which is a tool that uses OpenAI's GPT-2 and There's AI's GPT-Neo or GPT-3. And for the model, we compiled all of our data into one file, and we had to test out a lot of different learning rates and decrease our loss. And there are still a lot of things we can improve, but that's mostly because we didn't really have enough data.
So the way the thing works is we would type something in. For example, what do you call a horse with the egg? And the output would be a horse with the egg. Yeah.
As a group, we struggled with some of the components of our project, and some of the parts of the project could see some improvement. One of the biggest struggles was collecting jokes for a data set. This issue could have been easily solved if we had predetermined data sets. Another improvement we could have had made was with time management. Before realizing that we couldn't use the 200K joke data set, we spent a lot of the time figuring out if we could really use it or not. Although that process was necessary, we didn't need to spend as much time as we did on it. In the future stance of the project, some places where we can improve our model are with data collection, website design, and training the model.
One last thing before we go. If you would like to try it out yourself, I just pasted the link in the Zoom chat. You can go ahead and head to the website and see the wonderful thing that we built. And yeah, try out and get a good joke or two.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Let's check out this website. All right. Yeah, Harry started sharing.
It's very shy. It's its first time to the real world. Maybe the server's just slow right now. But a few jokes would pop out and you would get to compare the jokes. But yeah, I'll go check out and make sure it's not broken.
As Renav pointed out, maybe the server's the one playing a joke on us right now. There we go. Got there.
Yeah, it seems like it crashed for some reason, but that's okay. Well done.